You just finished your meal and suddenly crave pineapple. But what happens inside your body when you eat it right after? As that sweet, tangy slice touches your tongue, enzymes called bromelain rush down your throat, glowing through your system like golden acid fire. Inside your stomach, bromelain meets gastric acid and the reaction is instant. A surge of golden ripples begins breaking down proteins at double speed. Your stomach lining tenses, muscles contract slightly, and the body sends blue neural sparks up the spine, a subtle alert to balance the overload. The liver steps in, glowing deep maroon as detox enzymes flood in to cool the storm. Your blood absorbs a hint of these active enzymes, glowing softly gold as it circulates. Meanwhile, your pancreas releases hormones to neutralize the acid surge, keeping digestion under control. A faint reflux shimmer rises, but stays calm as the enzymes pass into the intestines. Their golden tone fades to soft beige, meaning balance is restored. Energy now spreads through your bloodstream, a warm, radiant calm from the core outward. Gradually, all organs stabilize. Your stomach returns to its natural rhythm, muscles relax, and the golden light fades to neutral. Within a minute, your body restores full harmony, turning that sharp enzyme rush into gentle post-meal energy.